In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog and monetize it using Wix Studio. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix Studio website. It's a fantastic web platform tailored specifically for agencies and enterprises, but perfect for anyone looking to launch a professional looking blog. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, Wix makes it easy to sign up. You'll be prompted to continue with Google, which is a seamless way to link your Google account for easy access and added security. Now that you've logged in, it's time to begin building your blog. Look for a plus icon in the editor. Clicking on this will allow you to add new elements to your website. Since we're focusing on creating a blog today, your next step is to select the blog option from the menu that appears. This will integrate a professional blog format into your site effortlessly, giving you a solid foundation to work from. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Add to Site. Now comes the fun part, customizing your blog. Wix Studio offers a robust editor that lets you tweak your site to your liking. You can adjust the layout, color scheme, fonts, and much more. Make sure it reflects your personal style or the theme you want your blog to convey. It might take a bit of experimentation, but that's part of the creative process. Remember, a well-designed blog is more than just visually appealing, it should be user-friendly too. After you've customized your blog layout and design, consider the content you'd like to start with. Quality content is crucial when it comes to building an audience and eventually monetizing your site. Aim for informative, engaging posts that offer value to your readers. Once you've got some content ideas, create your first few blog posts. This will begin to populate your site with valuable material. Ultimately, monetizing your blog will depend heavily on driving traffic to your site, so consider strategies like SEO optimization and social media promotion to build your audience. Once you've established a steady flow of visitors, you can explore various monetization options such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or offering exclusive content through subscriptions or digital products. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to launching and monetizing a blog using Wix Studio. By leveraging its comprehensive tools and intuitive design features, you're already on your way to becoming a successful blogger. Take your time to experiment, and before you know it, your blog will not only be up and running, but generating revenue too. Thanks for tuning in and happy blogging.